Aspen, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome here if you're new. As you can see by today's title, this is going to be a playlist live survival guide video for you guys. So I decided I was going to do a 4-week series and this is week 1. Basically, I'm just going to go ahead and tell you all the tips that I would like to share with you guys. First, registration. What you want to bring with you to registration is your Playlist Live confirmation email, and you want to print that out so you can get your badge. The badges last year looked like this, and they do normally change it every year, so I have no idea what this year's is going to look like, but this is last year's. You also want to make sure that you have some You want to make sure you have some type of photo ID, so that could be a government issued ID, meaning like a passport or your driver's license or your permit, or it could just be a school ID. Now for meetups, you choose meetups 2 weeks before the event. The ones that do sell out quickly are Sam and Colby, Tana Mojo, James Charles, David Dobrik. Any of the really big popular YouTubers, those normally sell out really quick. So leading into my next point, you do want to make sure that you're on the website super early because you don't want to miss getting their meetup if that's who you're going for. They do announce meetup groups typically a week before choosing meetups, so this weekend it's really hard to choose meetups too, because like they have them all in groups and there's people like, oh wow, like I want to see these people, but then I also want to meet these people, and it's like it's really difficult, so good luck. The environment for Playlist Live or during Playlist Live is there's going to be a lot of people, so there's going to be crowds, there's going to be mobs, and all I'm asking for you is do not be a part of the mob because that is so disrespectful, so don't do it. And at the pool parties and at the panels there's going to be loud music, like you can literally feel the bass in your chest. I remember at JJ Hannon's panel it was like hitting me. I was like, wow, this is crazy. For food, I would go shopping, to be completely honest with you, because you don't want to pay too much money for hotel food. So basically the Marriott in Orlando, they have a thing called the pantry, and it's basically you have a ton of food, you have drinks, chips, snacks, everything. It's really expensive. There's pizza, there's burgers, there's ice cream, there's monster drinks, there's like pretzels, there's bags of chips, there's literally everything. So I would just say pack your own food is where I was going with all of that. What you could also do, you could also Postmate it or Uber Eats it. Now last but not least, your safety matters. So this one is very important to me. I do want to go ahead and tell you guys about safety and everything. So remember, like I said earlier, there's going to be a lot of people, so I would definitely recommend walking in groups of people. That literally goes for like anywhere in the world at this point. Don't go alone, don't walk alone. Make sure that you're aware of your surroundings and all that stuff. There is security in the hotel, so if you feel unsafe or if you think someone's following you or something, just tell them. Drink a lot of water because you don't want to pass out. And for your bag, I would recommend getting a small bag or a clear bag because 1, security is less likely to think that you have some type of bad thing in there, and 2, it'll make their lives easier and probably your lives easier and the people around you, because if you have a clear bag, they can obviously tell if you have something in there or not, and it would make them feel more safe. So that's just for like everybody plus you. Bag checks do happen before you go into the panel area, the meetup area, which is like the same thing, it's just different times, and the pool party, that is on Saturday night. If you have long hair or hair like mine that is on your neck, you do want to make sure that you tie it up in a hair tie or a scrunchie. I've noticed that scrunchies don't really like put a crease in my hair. If you're vlogging like what I will be doing, you definitely want to make sure that you have extra camera batteries. So I have one here, there's one in this box, and obviously there's one in my camera. So I have 3 huge, might I add, batteries for my camera. For your phone, definitely bring portable chargers. Because you're gonna need them. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope this helped you. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if this video helped you. All of my social media is going to be down below, so if you wanted to follow me, go ahead and do that. I will be posting updates on my Instagram story and on my Twitter of all the videos that I'm posting for you guys. And I guess that concludes everything. So I will go ahead and see you guys in my next video. Bye!